Everyone, Amtrak and CSX Wayfan here, and we got a CSX freight close to like yeah, we got a CSX freight close to like 12:43. Hold this one before we hit the Cameron Ice. We might, and then we might have a meet with my friend with 63 too. We could have a meet, maybe, because 63 is nearby. Heard him go. Saw on the map the friend had to go 77, but he has to slow down, probably. Put on the what he hasn't in the put, but he has to wait for this guy here first to clear the interlocking. But 63 is nowhere on site yet. And then this guy here is going a little bit slow. Because he's probably following behind the Lakeshore Limited or another train that I missed before I got here. Seems to be a freight tanker too. It seems like. There goes this freight tanker. Awesome catch to catch a Canadian national leading for the first time. I didn't know they used this line much, but I've seen them on this line before on a CSX train, but the unit last time wasn't in the lead. But it's good to see a main Canadian national wheel train in the lead for real. And then that was a nice looking unit trailing behind the Canadian national unit as well. That could be maybe one of the Canadian National Heritage units or Pacific or something. But yeah, there he goes. This Canadian National freight tanker with a friendly crew as well.